If you are a beginner esthetician wanting to practice waxing or you want a professional waxing experience at home, I'm going to show you everything you need and how to use it with GG Wax. GG Wax is the brand to use at home for a salon-like experience. When I first started as an esthetician, me and my friends practiced with GG Wax on all of our other friends to learn how to practice waxing. This was really easy to use, it's very portable, and everything you need is within the brand. I know it can be hard sometimes to get into the salon, so GG Wax formulated everything that we need to have an at-home wax experience very quickly, safely, and easily. First, let's start off with the wax pot. Guys, a moment for this tiny, cute wax pot. This is literally the cutest wax pot I've ever seen. This is perfect if you're going to friends, you need to practice on your friend, or you need to take it somewhere on a trip. This is so tiny and portable. I love how easy it is to use. So I set the wax temp between medium and high right here. This is probably gonna be pretty smooth. I'll show you guys the consistency in a little bit. I have the milk and honey wax pot. Look how miniature size this is. This is so, so cute. This is going to hydrate and brighten your skin. If you hate shaving, this wax is perfect because it's going to essentially pull the hair follicle at the root, and then it will also have castor seed oil in here that will give you hydration after you wax. Alongside with all their other pre and post, you're gonna be set to go. Okay, I opened up the wax pot. You can see how silky and smooth and nourished it is. The color is just amazing, and it literally glides just like butter. So we're gonna do a temperature test. Always wanna do it on the back of your wrist. So I'm gonna put it on here. That's what you want it at. It didn't burn the back of my hand, and this is perfect. Okay, now that we know that our wax temperature is set, we're gonna go in with the pre-cleanser. This is going to clean your skin. You always wanna prep your skin prior to waxing. Depending on your body area, you will use the powder. Powder is great for your legs, your arms, any of your body waxing. The powder is so useful because the wax will grip onto your skin. If you're doing anything on the face, I don't really recommend the powder, but the powder is gonna be great for your body. I have very light hair, so if you have coarser hair, you're gonna wanna use the powder. And with the cleanser, this just smells amazing. It already hydrates your skin. So what I'm gonna do is wipe it on the back of my arm. After I rub that in, I'm gonna grab my stick. I love that GG Wax has these angled applicators because this is great. They even have the contour ones. This is amazing for when you're trying to really get in there. Going in with my stick, I'm gonna grab the wax. You can see, I just love how silky it is. And you just apply the wax, just like that. And look how just buttery and smooth that is. Press that down, pull, and then apply pressure. And you can see, look at all the hair that it got out. I have fair hair. Now that I've waxed and my wax is taken off, I'm going to go in with the pre-cleanser again and the cooling one, just because this hydrates my skin. This is going to cool my skin, and I think that's the perfect mix when you had a body waxing. One thing I love that is essential, even if you are at the salon, I have this. Their Sure Clean Wax Surface Cleanser is chef's kiss. I couldn't recommend it enough. This is the only brand and thing that will get off my wax off any of the salon surfaces at home when I'm waxing. I put it on a paper towel and I literally wipe my wax pot, wipe my surfaces in one swipe. My floors, it will all come out. This is literally my #1 thing that I love to use. For body strips as well, I use cloth epilating roll. This you can pre-cut. You can pre-cut it into very small sizes if you're wanting to use it for the face, or you can do longer strips if you're using it for the legs. This is so great for body waxing because again, it pulls in one strip and your hair is gone. If you were wanting to try more of GG's wax, their lavender wax is so great as well. You can use that in the salon, in your wax pot. It's perfect for normal skin as well. I hope this helps, guys. I love GG Wax. GG's wax is great for beginners or if you're wanting to wax at home. If you have any tips and tricks, pop them in the comments. Thanks, guys. Bye.